What's up, guys? It's your girl Lynn, and I'm back at it again. I told y'all I was gonna be back with this takedown video, so what did you expect? So here I am, Bonnet Bay. Hey girl, look cute in your bonnet. Okay, but I'm gonna take down these Bantu knots that I put in last night. Okay, I actually got a lot of good compliments about my Bantu knots. Like, a lot of people like them, so I was like, well, shoot. So maybe I should leave them in as a style, but I just really want to see what my hair is about to look like, so I'm gonna take it off. So I'm gonna take them out. Bonnet Bay is gone. So these are the Bantu knots. If you haven't watched the previous video, go ahead and watch that so you can see how I put these in on my 3-month-old starter locks. You dig what I'm saying? Okay. So this is what we're working with. So let's go ahead. Let's zoom in. Don't look at my acne, y'all, because I got it. Okay. Boom. So let's see what we're working with. So this is how you take them down. You literally just pull it and then untwist it the way, I can't even talk. Twist it the opposite way, untwist it the way that you twisted it. No, that's not right. Untwist it the opposite way that you twisted it. So, this is what we looking like. So you can just turn it the opposite way that you twisted it, pull it, and then untwist it. It's really self-explanatory, y'all. It's no right or wrong way to take these down. Now, if I had loose natural hair, it would be a right or wrong way because I would be like disturbing the curls. This looks a mess. Oh Lord Jesus. I'm gonna take one out in the front. See how we coming. Okay, don't disappoint me. Oh no. Oh no, y'all. Cut. Take two. This looks a mess. Oh no. Yeah, y'all. This is gonna go up as a fail. Let me back up for y'all. Oh no. This not how I'm about to go out. Oh, I'm not going outside like this. These curls are too tight. I think it would have been better if I did this when my hair was like down here, like down there, so then it only shrinks like right here. Oh no, I'm gonna finish taking this out and I'm gonna come back for y'all though. Hold on. Take me to the king. I don't have much to bring. My hair turned out terrible, but look, it's my offering. Shoot, Jesus wouldn't even accept this. This is a mess, y'all. I'm distraught. Completely distraught. Oh my Jesus. Ooh. Heck no. Heck to no. I look like Shirley Temple. This is a no. Ooh, I don't know why my scalp itching so bad. Woo! Jesus, that good itch. Okay. Y'all, this ain't it. This ain't it. This ain't that, and this ain't it. At all. I look like curly fried Shirley Temple. Jesus fix it. So guys, fail. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. It kind of looks like a curly fro though. Like, honestly, like if you saw me from far away, you'd probably think I had, yeah, this is like a curly fro. So, why can't I talk? If you want to have that curly fro look with your locks, you could do this, but I look like Grandma Shirley. So what I'm going to do, I want them to come down some more. Like, I want them to be like down here. So I'm going to spray these babies. Just go ham. Ooh, hold on. Just go ham on the spray. Okay? This is that water, aloe vera juice, and almond oil and Jamaican black castor oil mixture. And we're going to see if that, brings my curls down any. Shaking it out. Okay, it weighted down a little bit. I need some more though. Okay. So Now my hair is fairly damp. Okay, now it's coming down. This is what I'm talking about right here. This is way better. Oh, snap, y'all. Hold up. Okay, hold on. I mean, it's not cute yet, but the curls definitely turned into some nice little beachy waves. Okay. I'm on the beach. Oh, yeah. Hold on. Can y'all see this? Hold on, world. I might be onto something. So I'm just going to continue to play with this. I kind of dig this. I kind of dig this. This look, girl, who is you? Got the little bangage going, the waveage going. I don't know. Ever since I got my locks, I've just been adding edge to everything. Like when I show my scalp, I'll be like, "Here's the scalpage." Okay, you shake your hair, it's the shakeage. Okay. I don't know, but it's a unit of measure for me for locks. So I got some. Okay, I can deal with this. I can do this. Let me look in the mirror. Hold on, y'all. I can definitely deal with this. They're like little waves. I like this. Now, granted, I will say I could have achieved this by just letting the curls fall naturally, like over a couple of days course. The curls would have fell naturally and they would have turned into this, but my impatient self, I couldn't wait. So I like this. I can deal with this, and then I could probably do my little palm tree treetop. That's what I'm gonna call this style, because this is what I be rocking, the palm tree treetop. Do that. Oh, hey, treetop. Hey, treetop. Hey. I almost fell, y'all. Yeah, I dig it. I do. Okay. Yeah. So this is what we're working with. This is the finished result of my Bantu knot out. I did not like it in the beginning. Ooh, the back is like almost all straight. It's okay. I did not like it in the beginning. The curls were way too tight for me. I look like Shirley Temple up there with the to the head, okay? And my locks are already short, so like why would I want them like up there? So we working with it now. I might have sprayed too much water. These things about to go back to straight. But y'all know it's trial and error. Never did this before. When I do it the next time, I will either not leave the Bantu knots in for that long, so they won't have the time to curl, like really get a tight curl to them, or I'll take them out and just deal with the ugly curls for a little bit and let them fall over the course of a couple of days. Or when I take them out, I just won't spray them that much. I'll do a couple of spritz and then let them do their thing. So thanks for watching, and like, comment, subscribe, share. Okay, do all that. Okay, guys. Bye, sisters. Bye, brothers.